In this video, I'm going to show you how I made over $4,000 using Fiverr. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So today I want to give you a simple way for you to start making money online, and that's using Fiverr. If you don't know what Fiverr is a freelancing website where you can sign up for free and you can do simple jobs for $5, $10, $15, $20, whatever you want to charge. Now, the reason why Fiverr has become so big is because you can find really good freelancers on Fiverr really cheap. And there's people who are making thousands of dollars on Fiverr just with $5, $10 gigs. What I'm going to show you is how I actually use Fiverr. I'm not using it anymore for this specific purposes. I use it to hire people, to find people that I want to hire for different things. I'm going to show you how you can utilize Fiverr to make some money. And I'm going to show you proof that I made some money using Fiverr with design services. Now, anyone can jump into this. You don't have to be a designer. You don't have to know anything about Photoshop or anything like that. I'm going to show you a simple way that you can get started on Fiverr. I'm also going to show you the different options that Fiverr offers. That way you can provide any type of service that you want to provide, and you can expand and make more money. This is not meant to make you thousands per month or make you rich. The people who are making a lot of money with Fiverr, they have gigs that are very popular. They have a very high in demand service, and most likely they're charging more than $5 per gig. That means that they're charging $100 a gig or $200 per gig. I'm going to show you some examples of that in this video. Alright guys, so right now we are on Fiverr.com, and if you haven't actually heard of Fiverr before, you can just go to Fiverr.com and you can learn all the information about what type of services you can offer inside of Fiverr, like graphic design. You can do banner ads, you can do business cards. If you have any type of digital design skills, you can do that, and you can offer your services in here. You can also do digital marketing. You can offer SEO services, social media marketing, video marketing, writing and translation. You can do video animation if you want to provide those services, testimonial videos. There's so many options for you to just jump into Fiverr and start offering your services that the possibilities are basically unlimited. Now, how I did it, and you can see my net income here was $4,556, and from there I use about $3,800, which I withdraw from my account. The rest was just used to make purchases for different services, because I want to see if I could make money with Fiverr. Any video that I talk about a specific method of making money, that I'm able to test it out to see if it works first. So the type of gigs that I posted was for banner design and Craigslist ad services. And Craigslist meaning that I would design a banner ad for your Craigslist advertisement. And a lot of people jump into that right away. The reason why is because I was able to rank that gig on basically on the top spots of Fiverr. So whenever you type something like Craigslist advertisement, my gig would pop up. I'm not sure if it does anymore, but it would actually, let me see, Craigslist ad post. So I don't see it in here anymore, but the process is very simple, and you can set up a gig. Thumbnail needs to do all the selling for you, because the better your thumbnail, the more likely you are to get clicks to your gig and have new buyers. Now, they have millions of people visiting this website every single day. So you can see inside of your Fiverr account, you can see how many people are viewing your gig, how many people are saving your gig. As you can see, let's just click on one right now based on like for this one, for example. But you can see on this one, not all gigs need to be $5. This one has $15 per gig with a 5 days delivery. And what it's doing is it says, I'll create an attractive Instagram post or Instagram ad. And you can see these are quite simple. There's nothing special about these ads, really. It's something that you can do without any technical knowledge on Photoshop or anything like that. And I'm going to show you how the type of website that I've used, that you can use the same thing to offer this type of services. But you have to be creative. You can't just say, I'm going to design a banner ad for your website or something like that. Like this person, actually, it's just targeting Instagram ads. So you can do something like, I will design a Facebook ad for Facebook marketing, for example, and you can charge $10, $15 for that. Now, how do you actually design something like that? As you can see, she has $50 for a standard where she'll design 3 post images. 5 images is $85. One of these per day, she's already making close to $100 per day. And as you can see, over 1,000 reviews. So that means she's actually selling a lot. And like I said, this doesn't require any type of technical skills when it comes to Photoshop. Now, if you're good at Photoshop, if you know how to create stuff on Photoshop, this is a very simple way to make money online. Because if you just get 2, 3, 4 customers a week, that could easily mean an extra $100 per week or $200 per week. So that's exactly how I actually made those $4,000 by just offering this type of services. And I didn't know anything about Photoshop. All I did is using a website called Canva. It was actually one of the templates that I used to create many of the Craigslist ads that I was creating. And Canva is completely free. You can sign up for a free account, and they have a lot of different options for you. It's very newbie friendly. So even if you don't have any design skills, they have text and images and graphics and shapes and a lot of different things that you can do. You can also upload your own images if you wanted to. And they have a lot of different options when it comes to the type of designs that you can offer. For example, you can offer business cards. You can do an Instagram post. Like for example, this is the template for the Instagram post. So you can offer your Instagram post designs for $5 and just charge $15 for multiple designs or something like that. Documents, blogging and ebooks. You can do marketing materials if you wanted to do that as well. And like I said, this doesn't require any technical skills. You can just click on it. They'll give you a bunch of templates that you can use. You can edit the text, you can change the images, you can change the color, and you can download it and you can send it to your customer. Now, if they need to make any changes, you can always go back to your Canva account and you can make changes to that specific design. Now, if you wanted to offer any other different services, like for example, if you wanted to do something in the video category, you can do that as well. For example, let's say that you wanted to do a testimonial video. There, you can find people who are doing a very nice income just doing testimonials. For example, this one has 4.9 rating. He says, I will do HD spokesperson videos in my car. So that means they're just recording a video on their car talking about whatever product it is that they're talking about or service as a testimonial for that person. And you can see, let's go down a little. He had 35 reviews, so that means probably had 35 orders or more. And the basic one is $10 for. So if you could get paid $10 for just making a 2-3 minute video, how many videos would you make? This is the power of using Fiverr to make some quick cash. It's very newbie friendly. You don't need a lot of experience. All you need is just a little bit of creativity to jump into it and create gigs that people are looking for. So I just wanted to share this with you because some of you have asked me for a simple way to make money that it's really open to anyone in any country. And this is one site that allows you to do that. With that said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. I have way more content coming up on making money online and affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.